I'm getting it. Just a minute and I'll have your breakfast. Good morning, Joey. Here you go. Oh, Dad's such a good girl. Tinker today is premium soft dog food and a nice ground beef. Served on your favorite white platter, which used to be mine. That's okay. Yesterday at the lake shore lakeside trail walk, she goes about 2 miles, sometimes even more. I have to stop and ask her if she wants to keep going, and she'll let me know if she wants me to pick her up. Good morning, Joey. Did you just finish eating, Jojo? By the looks of it, yes, Mom. Jeez, Mom. It's going to be a beautiful day, kids. Joey says, what does it matter? I'm an inside cat. And I'll just take the windowsill. Hi, Joey. That's a pretty boy. That's a pretty boy. Sorry I interrupted you, Joey. The only thing you want is the last bite. Good job, Tinker. Good job, Tinker. If you don't circle your food and throw off what you don't prefer, well, didn't last long. She decided she's hungry today. Sometimes it tastes better when you throw it on the floor and then you eat it. That's her perspective. I don't think I'm going to try it though. Well, Joe, we got a problem. And the problem is you'll get a little nibble or two. Excuse you, Tinker. Wow. You ate too fast. A true young man. Not only does he help with dishes, but the floor.